Excuse me, is this the gate for the flight to London?
Yes, it is. I am also waiting for the same plane.
Thank you very much. I was worried because the airport is so big.
It is a very confusing place. I spent 20 minutes looking for a coffee shop.
I understand. I almost got lost near the duty-free shops.
My name is Victor. I travel to London every summer for work.
I am Emily. This is my first time traveling alone to another country.
That is very brave of you. Are you visiting friends or family?
I am going to see my sister. She lives near a big park there.
London has many beautiful parks. You will love the green grass.
I want to take many photos. I have my camera ready for the trip.
It looked like a very professional camera. Do you like photography?
Yes, it is my favorite hobby. I want to capture every moment.
I prefer reading books during a flight. It helps me stay calm.
I am very nervous about the takeoff. My heart is beating fast.
The first time is always scary, but the view from the clouds is amazing.
I hope I have a window seat. I want to see the sky.
Check your boarding pass. The seat number is usually near the gate.
It says seat 12A. Is that near the window?
Yes, the letter A is always a window seat. You are lucky.
That makes me feel much better. Thank you, Victor.
No problem at all. We still have 40 minutes before we board.
The airport is very loud today. There are so many people.
It is the holiday season. Everyone wants to go somewhere sunny.
Is London sunny in July? I only have light clothes.
It is usually warm, but you should always have an umbrella.
Oh, I forgot to pack an umbrella. I hope it does not rain.
You can buy a small one at the airport. They have many shops.
I will check the shop near the gate. I will be back soon.
I will watch your bag. Don't be too long, Emily.
I am back. I found a very small purple umbrella.
That was very fast. It fits perfectly in your rucksack.
Look, Victor, I found this map of London in the shop.
Let's look at it together. I can show you the best places.
My sister lives in this area. It is called Richmond.
Richmond is a very peaceful place. There are many deer in the park.
Deer in the city? That sounds like a fairy tale.
It is very beautiful. You should take your camera there.
I will definitely go there on Monday. What about this big bridge?
That is the Tower Bridge. It is very famous and very old.
Can we walk across the bridge? I want to see the river.
Yes, the view of the Thames is great from there.
Are there any good museums nearby? I love history.
The British Museum is huge. You need a whole day to see it.
I have 2 weeks in London. I have plenty of time.
You are very lucky. I only have 3 days for my meetings.
What kind of work do you do? You look like an architect.
You're right. I design modern office buildings.
That is a very interesting job. Do you like the buildings in London?
I love the mix of old and new styles. It is very inspiring.
I like old houses with big windows. They have a soul.
London has many houses like that, especially in the West.
I am writing all these tips in my notebook.
You are a very organized traveler. I like that.
I want my first trip to be perfect. No mistakes.
Mistakes are part of the adventure. Don't be afraid of them.
You are very wise, Victor. Thank you for the map.
You can keep it. I know the city very well.
That is very kind. I will use it every day.
The sky is getting darker. I think the plane is here.
Look at the screen. The light is flashing red.
It says delayed. Our flight is 30 minutes late.
Oh no. I hope I don't miss my sister.
Don't worry, 30 minutes is a very short delay.
I should send her a message. She is waiting at the airport.
The airport Wi-Fi is free for 1 hour. You can use it.
My phone battery is very low. It is only 5%.
I have a portable charger in my bag. You can use it.
You are a lifesaver, Victor. Thank you so much.
Here is the cable. It works very fast with every phone.
I am sending the message now. She says it is okay.
See? Everything is fine. Let's get some snacks.
I am a little bit hungry. Do they have any sandwiches?
There is a small cafe over there. They have fresh sandwiches.
I will get a cheese sandwich. What do you want?
I will have a green apple. I don't like heavy food before flying.
That is a good idea. My stomach feels a bit strange.
It is just the nerves. Drink some water too.
I have a bottle of water in my bag. It is still cold.
The price of food at the airport is very high.
Yes, $5 for a sandwich is too much.
But we have no choice. We need some energy.
I am eating my sandwich now. It is quite tasty.
My apple is very crunchy. It's a good snack.
The delay is not so bad. We can talk more.
I enjoy our conversation. It makes the time go fast.
Tell me about your favorite city in the world.
I think it is Rome. The food there is incredible.
I want to go to Italy next year, maybe with my sister.
You should go in May. The weather is perfect then.
My suitcase is very small, but it is very heavy.
What do you have inside? It looks like a stone.
I have many books and some heavy shoes.
You should be careful with the weight limit.
I checked it at home. It is exactly 10 kilograms.
The airlines are very strict about the size too.
I can put my jacket on if the bag is too big.
That is a classic trick. It always works for me.
Did you have any problems with security today?
No, I always put my keys and coins in my bag.
They asked me to take off my shoes. It was funny.
They do that for safety. It is a normal procedure.
I also had to put my camera in a separate box.
Yes, electronics must be visible for the X-ray machine.
I am always afraid I will lose my passport.
Keep it in a safe pocket inside your jacket.
I'm checking it right now. Yes, it is here.
You are very careful, Emily. You will be a great traveler.
I am learning from you, Victor. You are very helpful.
Traveling is easy when you have a good system.
My sister says I am too messy. I want to change that.
Being a little messy is okay. It means you are creative.
I think she is right. My room at home is full of photos.
That is not a mess. That is an art gallery.
Thank you. I like that way of thinking.
Look, the staff is coming to the gate.
They're opening the door. Is it time to go?
They are checking the documents for the priority group.
We are in the economy group. We must wait more.
We will be on the plane in 10 minutes.
The line is moving now. I am getting excited.
Do you have your boarding pass in your hand?
Yes, I have the paper pass and the digital one.
That is very smart. Technology can sometimes fail us.
I am checking my backpack. I have my headphones.
Music is great for the flight. What do you listen to?
I like quiet acoustic music. It helps me sleep.
I prefer podcasts about history and science.
I should try listening to a podcast today.
I can recommend a very good one about London.
Please tell me the name. I will find it now.
It is called Hidden Streets. It's very interesting.
I found it. I am downloading 3 episodes.
Now you're ready for the journey.
The man at the gate is calling our group.
Group C, that is us. Let's go to the line.
I hope there is space for my bag. It is a bit wide.
Don't worry, the overhead bins are quite large.
I am giving my passport to the lady now.
She is scanning your pass. You're ready to board.
Thank you, Victor. See you on the plane.
Wait, I think our seats are very close.
Really? What is your seat number?
I am in seat 12B. That's right next to you.
No way! That is a very big coincidence.
It is a small world, Emily. We can talk more.
I am so happy about that. I won't be lonely.
And I can help you with your suitcase.
You are the best travel partner, Victor.
Let's walk down the tunnel. The plane is waiting.
It is a bit cold in this tunnel.
It is the air conditioning from the plane.
I can see the pilots in the cockpit.
They look very calm and professional.
The plane is much bigger than I thought.
It is a Boeing 747. It is a very safe plane.
I am stepping onto the plane now.
The flight attendant is smiling. Say hello to her.
Hello. My seat is 12A. Which way is it?
It is to the right. Follow the numbers on the ceiling.
I see number 10. We're very close now.
Here's row 12. I will put your bag up.
Thank you, Victor. It is very heavy for me.
Done. It is safe in the overhead bin.
I'm sitting near the window. The seat is soft.
I'm sitting in the middle. I have enough space.
The view of the wing is very cool.
You can take a great photo of the sunset later.
I'm taking my camera out of the bag.
Fasten your seatbelt now. The plane is moving.
I can hear the engines. They are very loud.
That is a sound of power. We are going up.
Hold my hand for a second, please. I am scared.
Everything is okay, Emily. Just breathe slowly.
We are moving very fast on the ground.
Now we are in the air. Look at the clouds.
Wow, the city looks like a tiny toy.
It is beautiful, isn't it? The world is big.
Thank you for being my friend today, Victor.
My pleasure, Emily. Enjoy your first flight.